Ako from corporate, then last year, then nag-resign, nag-full-time freelancing. Let's talk about this bold move by Well. Hi there, I'm Anthony, your web design and funnels expert and founder of Website Academy PH. See, okay, he left the corporate world last year to go full-time into freelancing, no? So that decision alone takes courage. Lalo na if sanay ka sa fixed income and structure. Medyo nakaka-relate ako kasi galing din ako sa corporate for almost 10 years before ako nag-full-time like 5 years ago. This proves na freelancing isn't just a side hustle anymore. It's a real path for those willing to bet on their skills, mindset, and consistency. Real talk, hindi siya madali pero very possible. So to anyone who's thinking of making the leap, prepare, learn, build a plan, and then go for it. Diba? Lakasan lang talaga ng loob yan, pero hindi siya madali again. Like and follow for more real stories and tips to guide your freelancing journey. Bye-bye!